I'm working in Masta Poland and I'm a data lake architect.
My name is Bartosz Baślanka. I am AI expert.
Hi, I am Michał Andruszko. I'm working for Masta with project APEMAN.
And I am owner of the Masta company, and I would like to say a few words about the MIDIH project. First of all, I would like to focus on the KPIs that were defined within the project. Mainly, there were two KPIs groups, the technological and the business ones. The technological ones helped us a lot to keep focus of our project on the right value delivery, and we avoided a lot of technological pitfalls. One of the samples is like delivering of operating hours of the device that forced us to work from the very beginning on the reliability and stability of the delivered software and the device. Regarding the business KPIs, they empowered our business a lot, in fact, because some of them, like for example the confirmation of meetings, were enforcing us for generating leads with the potential customers. And obviously those meetings with the customers gave us a lot of feedback regarding how we would like to develop in the future, what we would like to achieve, what is valuable for the customers. The MIDIH delivered us a lot of already defined aspects of the technical architecture, and we just focused on delivering that value. So it was really appreciated by the team. It saved us a lot of risks, effort. In terms of the future that the MIDIH project created for us is, we have, let's say, two axes. The one is the technological one. So I think that now we have more clear directions with this project. And of course, there are business opportunities. So like I said, we already have some pilot projects with our customers, and what is also for us very valuable, we have a very good feedback regarding to the features that should make this product for the customer very valuable. So one of those group of those features is based on the supervised learning, is related to the classification of upcoming failures. The second one group is related to time series analysis. Summarizing the APEMAN project and the MIDIH project, we are very positively attracted by the deliveries, and we are very satisfied being a part of the project. Thank you very much for your attention.